Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2022 at a past Photo Managers Conference. Although the year may have passed, the insights shared remain valuable for anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy.
Hi, Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions, and I'm here with Holly Corbid, who is outside of Minneapolis.
Yep, Stillwater, Minnesota.
And what's the name of your company?
Capture your photos.
Capture Your Photos. And what's one way you've helped your clients capture their photos this past year?
I have this client that we did an organizing project. So she was a Mac user, iPhone user. So we just kind of went through the process of organizing her regular, just her lifetime of photos, and did some scanning and kind of got everything in one place. And as we were going through, one of the themes that I saw going through the photos was she had a ton of pictures of doors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was so cool. And so I saw them. They were different colors and that. And she'd traveled all over the world. And so when we got done kind of organizing her pictures, I'm like, you know what? You have this cool theme going through. And so I suggested that she make a gallery print of this door. So it's a 20 by 30 print. And we selected, I think there were like 20 doors that were just in even squares along, and just put doors on the bottom from all over the world. And it just turned out so beautiful. We put it in a beautiful frame, and then later, as just a gift to her, I had made some playing cards for some of my clients, and so I put that print on a deck of playing cards. So it was just beautiful, and she has it hanging in her home, and it was just a fun little thing. After we went through all this work of organizing her photos.
Yeah, and that actually captures her travels.
Yes.
And all the things that I'm sure when she's looking at a door on that poster, that she's going, oh, I remember where that was, I remember where that was. So it brings back memories.
Yep,
and,
exactly.
And probably sparks some conversations when people come into her house.
Yes.
Going, what in the world is that?
Yeah, where was that from? Or where'd you, for sure.
Yeah,
it was cool.
That's really neat. So you want to use your photos to tell a story like that so that future generations will have something to talk about you. And we'll see you later.